Hello, class 8. Welcome to the e-learning classes, and I'll be taking your history class. Today, we will discuss the first chapter, that is India in the 18th century. In this chapter, we will discuss about the Mughal Empire, the decline of the Mughal Empire, and the reason for the decline of the Mughal Empire, and also the rise of the independent regional power. A period of transition. The transition from the medieval to the modern period began with the decline of the Mughal Empire in the first half of the 18th century. This was followed by the English East India Company territorial conquest and the beginning of the political domination of India in the middle of the 18th century. The modern period in India is generally regarded as having begun in the mid-18th century. Later Mughals. Mid-18th century saw the beginning of the modern period in Indian history with the decline of the Mughals around 1750. The 14th successor of Aurangzeb are called the later Mughals. The death of Aurangzeb is believed to have marked the beginning of modern period. The period of the great Mughals, which began in 1526 with the Babur accession to the throne, ended with the death of Aurangzeb in 1707. Aurangzeb's death marked the end of an era in Indian history. When Aurangzeb died, the empire of Mughals was the largest in India. Yet, within about 40 years of his death, the Mughal empire disintegrated. The 14th successor of Aurangzeb are called the later Mughals. They ruled for about 150 years from 1707 to 1857. They did not prove to be the ruler of high caliber and were incapable of checking the downfall of the empire. They became tools in the hand of the nobles and the British. During the reign, the Mughal, which once covered almost the whole of the Indian, was reduced to the area around Delhi. While declining power of later Mughals continued to rule till 1857 when Bahadur Shah Zafar was dethroned by the British. Hence, Bahadur Shah Zafar came to be known as the last Mughal ruler. Aurangzeb. His full name was Abdul Muzaffar Muhyiddin Muhammad Aurangzeb. Father name Shah Jahan, mother Mumtaz. He was born on 4th November 1618, died on 3rd March 1707. Wives Nawab Bai, Aurangabadi Mahal and Udaipuri Mahal. Reasons of later Mughal. Bahadur Shah, he ruled from 1707 to 1712. Jahandar Shah, he ruled from 1712 to 1713. Farrukh Shah, he ruled from 1713 to 1719. Muhammad Shah, he ruled from 1719 to 1748. Ahmad Shah, he ruled from 1747 to 1754. Alamgir II, he ruled from 1754 to 1759. Shah Alam II, he ruled from 1759 to 1806. Akbar II, he ruled from 1806 to 1837. Bahadur Shah Zafar finally, he ruled from 1837 to 1857. Now we will discuss about the reasons for the decline of the Mughal Empire. The reasons behind the decline of the Mughal Empire was politics in the Mughal court, weak military organization and administration, failure of Mansardari system, war of succession, inefficient successor, economic bankruptcy, and foreign invention. In the next video, we will discuss all these points in details. Thank you.